Good afternoon, everybody. Doug for Proformance Unlimited. Again, one of our engines here happens to be one of our 572 big blocks. We got a lot of big blocks in line lately. But whatever we build, everything in-house, custom built to order. I'd love to build something for you. All you got to do is call us up and tell us what you want. But this happens to be one of our 572s. It's a dark block, AFR heads, full forged rotating assembly, XP Holly 850 carburetor, Pro Billet distributor, Dart intake manifold, all the goodies, all the goodies. March kit on this. This one got done making about 740 horse and about 750 foot-pounds of torque. What a monster. We only took it up to 58 RPM. Again, bulletproof engines. Anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Remember what I always say, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. All right, Chris, I got your 85 Chevy C10 engine here. Happens to be our 572. I think you're going to be impressed with the horsepower.